Hello guys, welcome to the next part of the CSES problem set. Today's problem is two sets. So here we are given a number n and we need to split the numbers from 1 to n into two sets of equal sum. So the intuition to such types of problem is like how to start it. First we need to check whether it is possible to split the sum or not. So to find the sum from 1 to n, we can simply use the formula, sum formula n into n plus 1 by 2 and check if this sum is odd or even. So if the sum is odd, so then the answer will be no, it is not possible. And if the sum is even, so then it is possible to split it into two sets with equal sum. Now coming to the cases, so first let's begin with the cases where n is given to us as even number, for example 4. So the numbers will become from 1 to 4, and now it's very easier to just see a pattern of forward and backward pairing, for example 1 and 4, 2 and 3. So simply we can just pair them up and keep one pair in set 1 and other pair in set 2 to split them up. Okay, so let's take another even example of n is equals to 8. Then it becomes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this, again using forward and backward pairing, 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, and 4, 5. So there are four pairs possible. So we can put any two pairs in set 1 and any two pairs in set 2. So this will give us equal sum as 18. Now the pattern which we need to notice is I would always prefer to keep the set 2, 3 in this test case in set 1 and 1, 4 in the other set, since here none other sets were possible, so that is not a good test case. Okay, so let me talk about this n is equals to 8. So I will always prefer to keep these numbers 3, 4, 5 and 6 in set 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in set 1, and 1, 2, 7, 8 in set 2. So this is because 3, 4, 5 and 6 is a continuous series which is occurring here. So this can save me a lot of space rather than to store them in an array or a set and then print it. So this can save a lot of space and I can just directly find out the range. For example, in even numbers, so the middle n by 2 elements I need to pick up. So that will be the answer in set 1. And the remaining from 0 to this range and after the middle n by 2 elements till last. So that elements will be in the set 2. Let us take another test case for more clarity. For example, if n is equals to 12, so range will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So if I talk about since 12, so middle n by 2, that means middle 6 elements. So I will leave 3 elements from here and 3 elements from here. So the middle 6 elements are these 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if I just check it, so 4 plus 5, 9 and 6, 15, 7, 22, 30 and 39. So this is the 39 sum which I am getting from these middle 6 elements, and the remaining 6 elements also are giving me the sum 39. So that means this algorithm works. So now let's first find the range for these middle, like what will be the range of these n by 2 elements, so which we need to write in the for loop. So let us consider this case only. If n is 12, so then n by 2 is still here. The first 6 elements are n by 2 and first 3 elements are n by 4. Okay. So I need to start from after the first 3 elements, that means n by 4 plus 1 till. Now since 3 elements are n by 4, then that means I need to add these 3 elements to this n by 2. So n by 2 plus n by 4. So this becomes 3n by 4. So 3n by 4 is the last limit. So that means in set 1 for even numbers, I will be having elements from n by 4 plus 1 till 3n by 4. And in set 2, I will be having elements from 1 to n by 4, and these are the leftmost elements, and the rightmost elements will be from 3n by 4 plus 1 till n. Okay, so let me first write this. I will just write it here in comments, and after that we will check for odd cases. So in set 1, I need to store the numbers from n by 4 plus 1 till 3n by 4, and in set 2, the number of the elements which I need to store are 1 till n by 4 and 3n by 4 plus 1 till n. And also, since the total number of elements are even, so both the elements will be containing n by 2 elements. Now let's check the odd case. Okay, so let's check the odd case. So let me take n is equals to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for n is equals to 7, if I talk about I need to split the total sum, which is 28, into two sets of each having a sum of 14. So for that, what I just figured it out. Like if I select these elements 2, 3, 4, 5, this will give me the sum 14. Also, since total number of elements are odd, so one set will have n by 2 elements and another set will be having n minus n by 2 elements. That means one set will be having more elements than the other. So these four elements are giving the sum as 14, and remaining 1, 6 and 7 are giving me the sum as 14. Okay, so let's check this for another test case also, and then we will figure out the range formula for odd case as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now you must be thinking like how I got that these four elements are giving me the sum as 14. So this comes with practice, and the more problems you practice, then you will also be able to see such types of patterns in the number series. So for 11, let's calculate the total sum, 11 to 12 by 2. So this is 66. That means each set must contains the sum 33. Okay. So for this this number of series are giving me sum as 33, and the remaining 1, 2 and 9, 10, 11 are giving me sum as 33. Okay, you can check 19 and then 30 and here 33. Okay, so what we observed here are the uh, n plus 1 by 2, the middle n plus 1 by 2 elements are giving me the half sum, and the remaining elements are giving me the half sum. That means this set which is having a continuous elements uh, will have more elements. For example, these are 6 elements and the set 2 will contain 5 elements. Similarly, in case of 7, the split will be of 4 elements and 3 elements. So I need to take the 4 elements from the middle, and 3 elements are left out, 3 elements. Okay. So to reach here, again we need to like go 11 by 2 will be something like, let us say 5, and 5 by 2 will be here again 2. So I need to start from 3. So for the odd cases, it's simply n by 4 plus 1 till n by 4 plus 1 uh, plus n plus 1 by 2. This is the seal value which I am adding, and minus 1. Okay, so this is the minus 1. Since, for example, let's take example of 7, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So n by 4 plus 1 will give me the starting value as 3. Now from 3 I need only 1, 2, 3. So 3 jumps. So n by 4 plus 1, and this seal value will give me 4. So 4 minus 1 will give me 3. So that's why this minus 1 is there. So total I will get 4 values. So this minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So the range is n by 4 plus 1 to n by 4 plus n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So let's just code it up now. Void solve. We will be given an integer n, int n, c in n. Now first let's calculate the sum, which is n into n plus 1 by 2. And if sum is odd, so we'll just simply say no end and return from the function. And after that, else the split is possible, so we will just see out yes. And if n is even, so let's write the even case first. So the number of elements in both the sets will be equal. So first we need to print the number of elements, and then elements in set 1 are from for int I is equals to n by 4 plus 1 till I less than equals to 3 star n by 4 in I plus plus C out I C out endl. Now in second set also the total number of elements will be n by 2 since n is even. And now we need to print the second range. So for the leftmost elements, I will start from 1 and will go till n by 4. And the rightmost elements, the range will start from 3n by 4 plus 1 I less than equals to n I plus plus C out I. Now this is the even case. Let's handle the odd case also. So let's write n by 4 plus n plus 1 by 2 till n by 4 plus n by 2 n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 for the right range till I less than equals to n. Let's run this and check if it's working fine or not. Yeah, so now it's working fine. Let's submit it. Okay, so it got accepted. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can just ask me in the comment section and I will try to reply. Thank you.